Yes, so today we're gonna be reacting to FERRAN's Your Dog Water song. Alright. Alright. FERRAN Dog Water. Oh no. Oh my gosh, dude. I would prepare you in this round. No one gives a shit, and you're cringe as hell. Like, oh my god, I'm reacting to this song, and if it's so, I'm lowering down the volume.
I'm Nick Nimmin, and I'm a StreamYard user. For the last 6 years, I've been live streaming.
Alright boys, I'm finally back. Follow me, the storm's on our FERRAN! But mom, I just started, please! Didn't I say no more? I just need one shot!
You keep saying
Guys,
that.
my Bluetooth device is not connected. I can't hear anything.
One shot, that's all you keep saying.
I'm going to commit suicide after hearing this, man. I'm going to commit suicide. This song is actually bad. It's actually bad. It's so bad. Someone told me it was so dark. Hey. Oh my god. I'm going this down.
Let's go! Come at me! It's your boy King FERRAN! Quit hiding!
You're not a king,
You need wins?
you're a
I
little
got wins.
shitty kid.
I'll carry you any day. King FERRAN in the house. I'll clap you any day. Let's go! All of it hiding in a bush. Me and the...
Bro, this is actual shit, dude. What the fuck? Bro, you are literally an 11-year-old kid playing. Oh my god. Even Tico's song is better than this, and I'm not even kidding. Bro. I hope your parents commit suicide after hearing this, dude. Oh my god. No, I'm done. This is the end of the video. I hate this. It's so bad, dude.